Today we're going to discuss conversions of aromatic compounds or functional group interconversion. What is functional group interconversion? Here we have benzene ring. Basically we have benzene ring and we have different functional groups attached on benzene ring to form the different compounds. Now we want to convert this compound into this, or we can also say we want to convert this toluene into benzoic acid. So we will use different reagents for this process. It will be easier for us to study it like this because it's really confusing to study in a proper network. So I have formed this network of different compounds from starting from different reactants, and it will be given different conditions, and due to those different conditions it will form different products. So now I'm going to start from formation of benzene. How is benzene formed? We use ferrous and 400 degree centigrade temperature to form benzene. Benzene is the main thing we are going to use. Now what are we going to do? We want to form nitrobenzene from benzene. So this is pretty simple. We will use nitric acid, but to make this more active we will use a little bit H2SO4, and we will give it 60 degrees centigrade temperature to form nitrobenzene. Another conversion we will be needing aniline from nitrobenzene. Now what are we going to do? We're going to use SnHCl and heat, or we can also use palladium and H2. Apart from this part, we can use these reagents or these reagents to form aniline from nitrobenzene. Now if we need NNCl, this is called as benzene diazonium chloride. So we need to do a little diazotization. What are we going to do is we are going to use NaNO2 and HCl, a little bit of cooling, about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade temperature is needed, and this aniline would convert into benzene diazonium chloride. After that we will use water and we will heat this solution, and this NNCl is going to convert into this OH. So we obtain phenol in this situation. Now if you need to just remove this OH from here, you would be using Zn dust, and you will heat this solution to form benzene out of phenol. Or I can also say that phenol can be converted into salicylic acid right here through CCl4 and KOH. By using these reagents, we will form salicylic acid. Or if you want to form salicyl aldehyde, you can just simply use zinc dust and you will heat it to form salicyl aldehyde. Or you can also convert this into salicyl aldehyde directly by using these reagents. Maybe CH, Cl3 and NaOH. Yep. Yeah. So these reagents will give you this salicyl aldehyde directly from phenol.